Hello everyone, friends! Today we are going to catch pullbacks after price impulses. For this, we simply need to change the setting for the expiration time to exactly 1 minute. We will trade with an amount of $20, and we also need to switch to a 5-second time frame and add just 2 indicators to the chart. This is the RSI indicator. You can change its settings as needed, remove the 50 level, keep both the 70 and 30 levels, and leave the period set at 14, then add it to the chart. Additionally, we also need to include the Bollinger Bands indicator as well. Go into the settings, then change the period to 20 and set the deviation to 2.3. We add it to the chart and now we wait. We need the price to reach either the lower or upper boundary of the Bollinger Bands, which are technical indicators that show market volatility, and for the RSI indicator line, which stands for Relative Strength Index, to go beyond the 30 or 70 level. Both of these conditions should occur together for our criteria to be met. After that, we wait for this line to return to the corridor between the 70 and 30 levels, and only then do we open a trade for an increase or a decrease. Accordingly, there are 17. If the price reaches the lower boundary of the Bollinger Bands, we will only open trades for an increase. If it reaches the upper boundary, then only for a decrease. Something strange happened here, so let's take a closer look and see what might have caused it. Change the chart. We open a trade for an increase when the price at a specific moment in time was gradually moving along the boundary of our price channel, and the RSI indicator line was also positioned below the 30 level. Vorlager. After that, the RSI indicator line broke through the 30 level from below upwards. I opened a trade for an increase, the price impulse ended, and I'm waiting for a pullback. The trade closed in profit. So we have a signal appearing. Yes, a signal has appeared. The price was moving along the lower boundary of the Bollinger Bands. The RSI indicator reading went below the 30 level and then returned into the corridor between the 70 and 30 levels, and on the new candle, I open a trade for an increase for 1 minute. Euro-British Pound, the price is moving along the upper boundary of the price channel. The RSI indicator line is already above the 70 level. Now we just have to wait for the RSI line to return to the 70 to 30 corridor. Meanwhile, the British Pound Canadian Dollar trade closes in profit, and a signal has appeared on the Euro-British Pound. I have opened a short position. For the British Pound to US dollar, the price is currently moving along the lower boundary of the price channel, and the RSI, or Relative Strength Index line, is positioned below the 30 level. We are waiting for confirmation, and are not opening a long position just yet. The Euro-British Pound trade closes in profit. The British Pound Dollar trade closes in profit. For the British Pound Australian Dollar, we might also see a signal appear soon. The price touched the upper boundary of the Bollinger Bands. The RSI indicator line is above the 70 level. We need to simply wait until the RSI indicator line crosses the 70 level from above downwards. Then we can open a short position. Alright, we are opening a short position. I was even a bit hasty by a couple of seconds. Another trade closes in profit. And I think we'll wrap up trading for now. 5 out of 5, an excellent result. But this trading strategy doesn't always deliver such results. Be prepared for that. That's all from me. Thank you all very much for watching this video. If you found the video interesting, be sure to subscribe to the channel and leave your comments. Wishing you successful trading. Goodbye everyone.